Traffic film removal is without doubt the toughest job for a vehicle wash detergent. Only the best designed formulations in a high-pressure touchless process are capable of leaving clean surfaces for all types of soiling. Formulations are alkaline and contain high amounts of builder and wetting agents. With strong hydrotropic properties of AKYPO LF-2, the formulation remains transparent until 58 degrees centigrade, making it ready for application. The dispersing ability of the formulation is directly related to the cleaning efficacy during the cleaning process. AKYPO LF-2 is not only acting as a hydrotrope, but also an excellent dispersing agent.